Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at STM Goods' bag. This is the Smarter bag. It is a 28-liter bag. It has comfort carry options. It has pass-through cable options. They even give you an AR app that you can see how the bag works, but we're going to show you all the pockets today. It has sling tech, so when you drop your computer into the bag, it won't hit the ground. It's also water repellent, and they use a product called DWR-C6 and multiple layers of polyurethane to keep the bag from getting wet inside. So you scan that QR code and you get the AR app for the bag, but now we're going to go inside the bag, starting at the top. This is a very nice silicone handle. It's silky smooth, and it doesn't feel like it will break easily. And they bolted it on either side of the bag. So this is the furthest back compartment. We'll go through all the compartments first, and then we'll check out the back of the bag. So inside, you get a very nice feel for your 15-inch laptop. You can put a tablet on this side, and it has a cable pass-through right here. We'll get to that just a little bit later. This pocket goes all the way down to the bottom, and this one's for the tablet. This has the sling technology. So when you drop your computer in at the end of a long day, it will not hit the bottom and break the screen. So that's nice. So this zippers down to about halfway, and then you have a nice mesh pocket at the top, and it also has the cable circle here, so you can put the cable pass through. Mesh pocket right here with the zipper. There's a pocket here. There's a small catch inside right here for the cabling, and then on this side you have another pocket, and this is padded on the inside. It goes about halfway down the length of the bag. You can fit a very large phone or a small tablet right here. It has a zipper function right there, and this goes all the way to the bottom. This also has a sling technology, so if you drop something in here, it won't break. And now we're going to go further into the bag with the front zippered pockets. And so now we have all of these pockets, again with the pass-through for the cable. Right here is another pocket. This is zippered. All of these are non-zippered. They don't have Velcro. You can drop in whatever you want, small discs. There's even a pen catch here, and there's a catch right here that you can undo. So cabling, if you want to do that there. This goes all the way down to the very base of the backpack. And in the very front, you have one more bag or pocket for the bag. It goes all the way down to the base. Now if you happen to be using this bag at night, it is black. However, they do have two reflectors right here, one on each side of the bag. So that's nice. Again, we'll show you all of the pockets really quickly. So you have the internal for the laptop and the tablet, and then you have the battery pack and a large phone or a smaller tablet, and then you can fit all of your daily devices here along with your cable pass through the round circle right here. It goes through every pocket section of the entire backpack, so you can pretty much charge anything you want with the STM Goods 28-liter backpack. And again, it's covered in polyurethane and it has that special coating, so it's for your everyday carry. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter.